Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are well and you all started using the Fun tool. Yes, students. If not, then start using Fun tool tab. Okay, in that there are so many questions you can solve and your doubts can be clear with the help of Fun tool. Okay, students. Now, in the previous video, we have started our second chapter, that is 4 operations, but in today's video I am going to take a revision of first lesson. What is first lesson name? Yes, the lesson name is large numbers. In that we have taken a revision of Indian number system, then how to compare the two numbers, that means which number is bigger and which number is smaller. Yes, we have taken the revision of that. Also we have taken the addition or not. Yes, students, we have taken the Indian numerical system, then international number system. Yes, students, and the expanded form, whatever the form, how we are writing in Indian system and how we are writing in international system. Yes, in international system we are using the periods. Yes, what is that period? Thousands period, then lakhs. Yes, in that 10,000s, million. Yes, students, remember this. Now in today's video I am going to take a revision of Roman numerals, what the Roman numerals are and how the Roman numerals are written. Okay, students, now you can see on the screen the question is number of times Roman numeral I can be repeated is. Now if we want to write a number in a Roman, how we are going to write? We are just using the symbols. Which symbols? There are only basic 7 symbols are there. Yes, students, which symbols are there which we are using in Roman numeral system? Yes, the basic symbols are I stand for 1. Yes, then second is V stand for 5, then X stand for 10, then L, capital L, and it stand for 50, then C stands for 100, then D stands for 500, and M, it is stand for 1000. Yes, students, we are using only these 7 basic symbols, and with the help of that they are writing the numbers. Which numbers? We are using 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, we are using these numbers, but in Roman they are using these basic symbols I, V, then capital C. With the help of that they are writing the numbers. Yes, now if I want to write 3, how I am writing? I will only write 3 times I. Yes, students, so if I want to write 4, how we are writing 4? Yes, first I will write 5 minus, yes, 1. Yes, 5 can be written as V and 1 can be written as I. So whatever the subtraction you are taking, that subtraction, the second number will come first. That means IV. IV stands for 4. Okay, so in any number, in any numerical Roman numerals, only the one, that is I, it is repeated how many times? 3 times. Okay, so in that you have to select 3. Okay, students, understand how you are going to write the Roman numerals? Let's take one more example. The next example is Roman numeral V can never be written to the dash of Roman numerals X. Yes, left or right? Yes, in which position? It is not written, yet it is not written on the left side of Roman numerals. Okay, students, in any number you can see the left, that means if we write left of x, that means vx have doesn't meaning, it doesn't have any meaning, okay, it not represent any number. But if we write v to the right side of x, it is having a meaning, that means that indicate 15. Okay students, that means xv stands for 15, but vx it is not stand for any number. Okay students, understand the question. Roman numeral v can never be written to the left side of Roman numeral because it doesn't have any value. Okay students, let's take one more example. The next number is Roman numeral L can never be written to the dash of bigger Roman numeral representing symbol. Okay, now with the help of this we have to solve this, left or right. Okay students, now the solution is Roman numeral L can never be written to the left of bigger Roman numeral representing symbol. Okay, which is bigger than L? C is there, D is there, and M is there. We cannot write L to the left of C, to the left of D, and to the left of M. Okay students, the number which are bigger than L, we can never write L to the left of that numbers. Okay, understand this. Let's take one more. The next example is Roman numeral D can never be written to the dash of bigger Roman numeral. First of all, we know which number is bigger than D. Capital M is bigger than D, and D can never be written into the left of capital M. Okay, so the answer is left. Understand? Let's take one more example. The question is, we have to match the following. 9 out of these, which represent 9? This one, second, yes. We have to match the following. Can you match the following? Pause the video, okay students, and try to write the digits in a Roman numerals. Match these, and you have to write this in your rough notebook. Try to solve this. Out of these, you can see in left hand side in Indian number system is there, on the right side Roman numeral system is there. We have to match. 9 represent in Roman which one, 15 represent which one, 6 represent which one. Okay, just pause the video. Yes, solved. You have solved these students. Okay, good. Let's take next example. I will give the answer of this also. Okay, let's see. This is an answer for your question. See, you have written the correct one or not. If not, you have to try for writing the Indian number system in Roman. Okay, how to write in Roman numerals, you have to practice that. Your answer is same as this one or not? Yes. Okay, let's take next example. The next question is, when a symbol representing a smaller number is written to the left of a symbol representing a bigger number, then the smaller number is dash the bigger number. Okay, understand the question. When a symbol representing a smaller number, suppose a number L is represent 50 and C is represented 100. Yes, the L is written to the left of symbol, that is L is represented to the left of C, then the smaller number is dash the bigger number. Okay, which one is this? multiplied or subtracted or added or divided? Yes, if the smaller number is written first and the bigger number is written second, then it is subtracted. Okay, it will be subtracted. If the smaller number is written first and the bigger number is written second, then the number is subtracted. Okay, understand this? Let's take another example. When a symbol representing a smaller number is written to the right of symbol representing a bigger number, then the smaller number is. Now this is the opposite of previous example. In that we have written the smaller number first and then bigger number, but in this question bigger number is written first and smaller number is written the second. So if that condition is there, then we have added. Okay, we are going to add that number. Okay, added to the bigger number, then smaller number is added to the bigger number. Understand this? Let's take another example. Roman numerals, that is symbol V, L and D can never be. Yes, V stands for 5, L stands for 50 and D stands for 500. All are 5, 50 and 500, and they cannot be repeated, or they can be single. Yes students, which one is the answer? They are single or they are repeated? Yes students, tell me the answer for that. They can never be repeated. Okay, we cannot write double V. Yes, we are writing 10 as X, not double V. Yes, and for 100, how we are going to write? For 100 we are using capital C. We are not writing double L. Yes students, understand this? So the answer for this will be repeated. Okay, that means we cannot repeat these Roman numerals. Now let's take another example. Roman numerals, symbols I, capital X, C and M can be dash. Okay, I stand for 1, X stand for 10, C stand for 100 and M stand for 1000. Okay, they can be single or they can be repeated, both single and repeated. Yes, are they repeated? Yes, they are be single or repeated. We can write them as single also and we can write them as repeated. That means if I repeat double X, what that mean? Double X means 20. Okay students, understand this? Now this is and match the following. Again match the following. This example is also for you. Pause the video and try to match the following. 57 represent which Roman numerals? 55 represent which Roman numerals? You have to choose the correct one. Okay, I will give some second for you. Try to solve this in your notebook. Yes students, if you are confused, just pause the video and try to solve this. That means 57, how 57 is written? 50 means L and 7 means V and double I. So L, V, double I, where is that? Yes, is it first one? So first match with first. And what is second? 55. 55 is 50 plus 5. So 50 represent L and 5 represent V. So in the right hand side, LV is at 3 numbers. So second match with third one. Okay, understand this. Now 42, 40 plus 2, how 42 is written? Or it is 50 minus 8 also there? Yes. So which one is that? Tell me the answer. Okay, see here, this is the correct answer. See, the first match with first, second match with third, and fourth, that sorry, third is 42, 42 is match with the second last. Yes. And the 60, 60 is LX, that means 50 plus 10, and 63 is 50 plus 10 plus 3. Okay students, your answer is correct or not? You have to try. Yes. Let's take another example. Now this is also match the following. Try to do this. Pause the video. Okay student, and try to find out which is match with which one. 117 match with one of these, that means the number on right hand side, then 91, then 97, 83, 108. How we are going to write in Roman numerals? Yes. Okay, I will give the answer. Just check your answer is correct or not. Okay students, this is the correct answer. Now check your answer is correct or not. Is it your answer correct? Yes students. Okay, if your answer is correct, then good, you are doing very good. Okay students, if your answer is not correct, then you have to try. At least you are trying this. Yes. Okay, I will appreciate your effort. Okay students, now let's take another that is similar to previous one. Now in this 100 represent which one? Capital C. So first with last one. Yes. And 496, how we are going to write that number? We are going to write that number as 500. Yes, minus 4. 500 is D and 4 is IV. So second with second last. Yes students, 496 DIV. Now the 502. 502 can be written as 500 plus 2. 500 means a D and 2 means double I. So third with first one. Yes, I will give the answer for that. Let's see. 100 is last one. 496 is CDXCVI. I told you the DIV, but that's not correct. It is for 504. Yes. Now 502 is D capital I 2 times. Okay. 504 is DIV and 1000 is capital M. Okay students, understand this. Now this is again the similar, but it is in thousands. Okay, so this is for your homework. Do this after you are seeing this video. Okay. This was the last question. In the next video I will take the revision on other topics. Okay, till then you have to practice the Roman numerals. This question is for your homework. Okay students, try to match this following, and if you are having any doubt you can mail me. Okay students, in the next video we will take the next topic. Till then, practice your questions.